We all know about Dan and the Danettes, but little is known about the life of the men behind the cameras. These poor souls are habitually bullied, patronized.
Give me the I don't want a girlfriend haircut, please.
Camera op Nick Taylor recently broke his silence.
McLovin, I swear he looked me straight in the eye, knocked over his coffee, it spilled everywhere, and he said, "Oh, I'm sorry, can you pick that up?" And I'm sick of it, I'm done.
Nick was later found in a city dumpster. The constant pressure of cup checks caused one cameraman to fight back. The following day wasn't pretty. He was then forced in a cardboard box and was shipped to an undisclosed location, never to be heard from again. The bullying continues next on The Dan Patrick Show.
Did they forget to start or did they forget to finish?
It's like a nest.
Welcome to the Dan Patrick Show.